lazy to put in the effort and get ready. Trust me, I get that. But if you're working from home and even if you have started going to your office, I understand that during an important meeting or if you have a presentation, you really freak out because all this while in quarantine, you are so used to being in your pajamas and being in your comfortable clothes with skincare smacked on your face. I get that. So I have created this simple look which you can sport not only to your office but also in your work from home emergency situation. So if you're interested to know how did I create this look, then please keep on watching. I already did my base without any foundation, and for that I used this Estee Lauder lotion, my favorite concealer and a setting powder. If you did not check my no foundation makeup look yet, you can check it out but after this video. So for starters, I'm going to brush through my eyebrows using a spoolie, and then I'm going to take this Maybelline eyeshadow palette and I'll fill my eyebrows in using the dark brown and the light brown shade. It gives a super natural effect. Now next, I'm going to use this NYX Ombre blush. I think it looks so pretty, so young, so chirpy. But if you are planning to go out, I'll highly recommend you to use an orange toned blush because I think it looks more sun-kissed and natural. So yeah, for my mascara, I'm going to use two mascaras by Maybelline, but before that, of course, you need to curl your lashes to give that beautiful lift. So I'm doing just that. Next, I'm going to take the Maybelline Hypercurl mascara and I'm going to apply that through my lashes. And make sure that you are applying it really well because you know, if you don't apply it evenly and uniformly, it might look too spiky or it might not even look like you have applied mascara at all. Trying some stupid transition, guys, bear with me. Next, I'm done with my upper lash line basically, and for my lower lash line I'm going to use the Maybelline Lash Sensational. It has this curvy brush attached to it which makes it really easy to apply to my lower lash line, and obviously I'm making super funny faces to reach out to my non-existent lower lash line, lower lashes basically. Just trying to brush through and yeah, coat them all. This voiceover is super unplanned, you know. I love chit-chatting. Yeah, so we are done with the basic makeup, and for lipstick I'm going to use the MAC Retro Matte All Fired Up. It is a beautiful bright pink shade which can really brighten up your face altogether. So yeah, you have to be really precise though because it is a really bright color. So take your time, apply it. I am applying it, taking my sweet little time, and again all the funny faces because yeah, just so that the final outcome looks fine. You can choose your favorite lipstick, trust me, there's no compulsion to use the products that I'm using. Now, before I end the makeup, of course you cannot skip out on some highlighter. I usually don't contour my face on a regular basis, but highlighting is a must. So I'm going to use Mary Luminizer by the Balm Cosmetics. It is one of my favorite highlighter. You can apply it really in a sheer way, or you can go all ham with that. So I'm going to apply it in a very sheer way manner so that it looks super natural and it looks like you are glowing from within. but you cannot forget to set that face, of course, and for that I'm going to use the MAC Fix Plus fixing spray, and I'm going to take a quick little shower in that. Before I end the video, of course, you need to finish it off by highlighting your collarbones. You can skip it, of course, if you're wearing a shirt or something, but I think it looks really feminine, and it brings out your best features. And I think when you highlight your collarbones, it just basically binds the whole look together. Of course, you cannot wear a t-shirt to your work from home or your office. So yeah, this is the final look. I tied my hair and I changed into a white shirt, but you can also go ahead and open your hair anything you like, just you do you. And yeah, I really hope you liked watching this video, and I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Also, if it's a work from home, no need to tell anybody that you're wearing pajamas underneath the shirt. I love you guys. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Take care.